Hey YouTube, so in part 5 of this how to our rebuild the lab kind of series, we've just installed Proxmox and we're going to be just doing this kind of initial installation checklist for Proxmox, which is basically something, unless you're paying for Proxmox, you basically need to do where you set it so that it's using the right repositories. And all of that good stuff. So I've reached the web interface here for tserv01, and we can click on this. You can actually get a shell from the web interface. So yep, basically we're going to go through this. So first thing, we have to come into there. So this brings us to the repository things, and we need to add in this one. So yep. We can go paste. And because we're using the free platform, then we need to comment out this and this. So we're going to go exit, and we'll save the changes in that file. And so we need to comment out. We need to go go to there, and we've just got to comment it out. So we just got to add the hash symbol. And Control X, Y, enter, and just do that. Which just does update and kind of like upgrade. So yep, that's finished. And we'll probably go for a reboot now, so we can just hit this button, and that will reboot that node, which will kick us off the web interface because we've connected to the web interface on that node. So it's back up. We can go to the console again. Oh, what is it? Want us to? Yep. And so yeah, we're probably good now. We've got that all set up. So we can now actually update the system. Like, we've already done this, but now you can update it without it with it actually working. So yeah, thanks for watching this shorter video, but the next video will be on VMs, setting up some like a VM and all that kind of good stuff. So probably gonna do organizer first, then some sort of wiki, then IP addressing scheme. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked the video. Subscribe if you want to see more like these. And see you next time.